Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we will discuss about addition and subtraction of rational expressions. By the way, please subscribe my Facebook page Learning 101 and my YouTube channel Master J. So today we will discuss first what is rational expression. So it's simply a fraction where the numerator and denominator are polynomials. So for example, x squared plus 2x plus 1 over x minus 1 is a rational expressions. So now let us discuss how to add and subtract rational expressions. So to add and subtract rational expression with the same denominator, we just copy the denominator and add or subtract the numerator. But if it is a different denominator, we find first the LCD. Then after that, we will solve the given expressions. So now let's have an example. So given x plus 1 over x minus 1 plus 2 over x minus 1. So here the denominator are the same, so we just copy the denominator, then solve or add the numerator. So the result, copy the denominator, which is x minus 1, then add the x plus 1 plus 1 plus 2, that is 3. So x plus 3 over x minus 1. So that is our final answer. So now let's have another example. So given 3 over x squared minus 9 plus 2 over x minus 3. So here they have different denominator, so we will find the LCD. But before that, we will factor out the x squared minus 9, since x squared minus 9 is factorable. So the factor out of x squared minus 9, that is x minus 3 times x plus 3, or that is the difference of 2 square. Then copy 2 over x minus 3. So our LCD here is x minus 3 times x plus 3, since x minus 3 have the same denominator in other addend. So we will divide the denominator to the every expressions. So x minus 3 times x plus 3 divided by x minus 3 times x plus 3, that is equivalent 1. So times 3, that is 3. Then copy the sign plus, then x minus 3 times x plus 3 divided by x minus 3, that is x plus 3 times 2. So that is 2 times x, then 2 times 3. So it is equal to 2x times plus 6. So copy 3 plus 2x plus 6. So combine like terms, so that is equivalent to 2x plus 1 plus 9 over x minus 3 times x plus 3. So that is our final answer. Okay, that's all for today's video about addition and subtractions of rational expressions. I hope you understand about the rational expression on how to add and subtract. So don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and my Facebook page. That's all, and see you on my next video.